Well, more than 3 years ago, Germain Dermatology was the first practice to offer the cool sculpting procedure to South Carolina. Enhancing the cool sculpting technology available, Germain Dermatology is proud to be the leader in advanced cosmetic procedures once again by being the first provider now of dual sculpting. And Dr. Marguerite Germain is here to tell us all about dual sculpting and more. Good morning.
Hi, Tessa.
I am very intrigued. First, all the way around. First, now let's talk to us about dual sculpting and cool sculpting.
Okay, so cool sculpting, as you know, is a revolutionary technique using the power of cooling to eliminate fat predictably, safely, and permanently. Dual sculpting is cool sculpting ×2. So we have two devices now. We're able to simultaneously treat the same person and reduce fat twice as fast and twice the amount of fat in half the amount of time.
Wow, now how does the procedure work?
Right, so this is the way it works. The applicator is applied to the skin and cold is precisely delivered to the treated area. The fat is actually more affected than other cells in the area, so the fat is eliminated over about a 3-month period. The fat is metabolically taken out of the treated area just by the body's natural metabolic processes, and over a 3-month period, the fat layer is reduced by about 20 to 30%. So it's amazing. It's amazing.
So during one office visit when they come to get this procedure done, about how long should they expect to be there?
So 1 to 3 hours, depending upon what the treatment that they need.
The target area it is. And what areas can you target?
So you can treat the belly fat, back fat, love handles, you can treat inner thighs. And because we have the ability in my office now and the experience with cool sculpting to treat people very effectively, we can get near liposuction results. And what we call it is treating to transformation. So when I first got this device 4 years ago, we treated bulges on very thin patients, just little bulges. And now we can treat the entire area and we can get something called treatment to transformation, really transform the body and get near surgical results without surgery.
Wow, that is amazing. So what should someone who gets this procedure done, what results should they expect reasonably?
Well, I brought some befores and afters, and as you see, these aren't little bulges anymore.
No.
This is the whole belly area, the flanks and the back were treated in this patient, and you can see that she really was transformed.
Yes.
And patients are very happy. This is something that transforms their body, makes them feel better about themselves, and can lead to just better self-esteem and just liking themselves more.
And it does. It's just the little things. If you take care, you tweak here or there, especially if it doesn't require you to have to go under the knife, you know, it's all the better. Now, what are some of the benefits of using dual sculpting?
Right. So as you see in this picture, you can get reduction in fat and it lasts forever. It's permanent. And you can see how this guy, his love handle is still permanently removed after several years. And guys love it. They love love handles.
I was just going to say, you mentioned men. Men can get this as well.
Men love to get this done. Belly fat, abdominal fat. Love handles, they just don't like that. And this is something easy. They can do their work while they're getting it done. They can work on the computers. They can go back to the gym afterwards, go back to work. There's no downtime.
So there is no downtime.
Right, there's no downtime. And this is another treatment to transformation, not a small little bulge, but an actual overall reduction in overall fat. 16 weeks after treatment, this patient was very, very happy.
Okay, let's ask this real question. Is there any discomfort involved?
No, not during the procedure. Now, you feel a little tug at first, and the coolness, the area is numb after just a few seconds. And but sometimes people can get a little tenderness and swelling afterwards, but it's all temporary. There's no garments to wear. There's no needles, no anesthesia.
No bandages to change or anything. And you can see that person getting the procedure done, and she's reading a magazine.
Right, she's reading a magazine, kind of chillaxing, you know, chilling out and relaxing there. They do their work, they rest, they watch, we have a big screen TV that they can watch movies, they can get other cosmetic procedures done.
And all the time getting rid of fat. And you're having a very special dual sculpting night this week, so what will people be able to find out when they come? Okay,
so this Thursday we're having a special event, a cool event.
Really cool.
It starts at 6 o'clock, and people are going to be able to find out much more about cool sculpting. There'll be a demonstration there of dual sculpting. There'll be refreshments and fellowship. Everybody always has a great time. It's a great thing for patients to come to.
And then, too, like you said, fellowshipping gives people an opportunity to sit down and talk to other people and find out that they have maybe some of the same insecurities, for the lack of a better way to put it, you know, that someone else has.
Yes, absolutely. People always have a good time at these events. I love them. They're very fun.
And we thank you for doing them. So how do people get in contact with you?
So I would like people to call if they could to reserve a spot for this Thursday, but they can certainly find me very easily at 612 Seacoast Parkway in Mount Pleasant. Just call 881-444 440 right off of Long Point Road in Mount Pleasant.
All right, Dr. Germain, thank you so much for joining us. Such great information, and keep up all the firsts that you have coming here to South Carolina.
Yeah, my patients expect it, and I want to give them the best results.
All right, and we love that. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thanks.
All right, stay with us. We're back in a moment.